Good morning children, Sairam. Children, today we are going to start our new chapter number 7, issue of debentures. This is the part 1. Children, first of all, what do you mean by debentures? In previous chapter you have learned about shares. Now today we will discuss about debentures. Now what do we mean by debenture? Debenture means debt of the company. Okay, debenture means debt of the company. It is a long term borrowing. So meaning of debenture: debenture is a written instrument or document issued by the company acknowledging a debt. So I already told debenture means debt or long term borrowing. Now children, when a company needs more fund, so the company has to issue debenture or share. Company has to issue debenture as well as his share. Now what do we mean by what is the difference between share and debenture? Share means capital. It means shareholder is the owner of the company. But debenture means debt of the company, so therefore debenture holder is the lender. Okay, one more thing in share and debenture. See, share means the person is going to invest in the company, so it means for shareholder it is an investment. So in investment he will get, or shareholder will get, dividend. But debenture, on debenture holder get interest because he is going debt to the company. He is going the he is giving the debt to the company. So it means debenture holder get interest. Okay, he will not get a profit, but he will get debt. He will get interest. Okay. Now what about repayment? Debentures, when debentures issued for a specified period, it means the amount of debenture is repaid on the due date. For example, the debentures issued for 5 years means the payment done after 5 years. It means debenture repayable after 5 years. Okay, on the due date. But share is not repaid because share means investment in the company. Shares is not repaid for the lifetime. Okay, only preference share we can pay. Preference share we have paid for a specified life. Now one more thing, as you know that share cannot issued at discount, but debenture can issue at discount. Okay, so this is the some differences between shares and debenture. Okay, now here characteristic or feature of debenture. Characteristic and features of debenture. So the first characteristic is it is a written document or certificate acknowledging debt by the company. Next is mode and period of repayment of principal and interest is fixed. Now the third is rate of interest on the debenture is specified. It is borrowing of the company. Next is it is secured by way of charge on the assets of the company. Now the next topic is types of debenture. So types of debenture means there are several types of debenture. Number 1 is from the security point of view. Security, as you know that secured or unsecured. So some debentures are secured and some debentures are unsecured. Now secured debentures. Secured debentures means are those debentures which are secured by either a fixed charge or floating charge on the assets of the company. A charge on the assets of the company is registered with the registrar of companies. Okay, Now, unsecured debenture. Unsecured debentures are those debentures which are not secured by a charge on asset of the company. Means when we take loan or when we take borrowing from some other person, we have given some assets of the company. So it means if we have given some assets, it means that debentures are secured debenture. But if we have not given some assets, it means they are unsecured debentures. Okay, this is the first from security point of view. Now next is from redemption point of view. From redemption point of view means some debentures can be repayable by the company, but some debentures cannot repayable during the lifetime. So these debentures are known as redeemable and irredeemable. Redeemable debentures are those debentures that are repayable by the company at the end of a specified period or by installment during the existence of the company. And irredeemable debentures are those debentures that are not repayable during the lifetime of the company and hence are repaid only when the company is liquidated. Means when the company is dissolved. Okay. Next is from records point of view. Records point of view means like registered or bearer debentures. Registered debentures means the debentures that are registered in the company's record in the name of the holder. And bearer debentures means are those debentures that are not registered in the record of the company in the name of the holder. You can say unregistered debenture also. Okay. Now the next is from convertibility point of view. As you know that some debentures are convertible and some debentures are non-convertible. Okay. Now convertible means converted into shares. So those debentures which can be converted into shares are known as convertible debenture, and which cannot be convertible into shares are known as non-convertible debenture. So children, there are 4 types of debenture. The first one is you can in exams you can write down the names directly like secured debenture, unsecured debenture, redeemable, irredeemable, registered, bearer, convertible, non-convertible in this way, or you can write down in point of view also. Okay. Now we can start the topic issue of debentures. Issue of debenture may be for cash, for consideration other than cash, and as collateral security. See, this chapter is just similar to the shares. Some topics are similar to the shares. Like shares we can issue for cash and other than cash. In the same manner we can issue the debenture for cash and for other than cash. In one more way we can issue the debenture, that is as collateral security. That topic we will learn later on. So first of all, issue of debenture for cash. Now issue of debenture for cash. So whether issued for cash or consideration other than cash, it may be issued at par, premium and discount. Like share are issued at par, premium, but debentures are issued at par, premium and discount. Okay, in these 3 ways debentures are issued. So journal entries I have written for the par. The journal entry is first entry, bank account debit to debenture application account. This is the received entry. This is the received entry for debenture application. So it is similar as share entry, bank account debit to share application. So here you have to write down bank account debit to debenture application account. And the second entry for due, debenture application account debit to dash percent debenture account. The percentage always given in the question, 9%, 6%, 4%. That percentage you have to write down here. Next is debenture allotment account debit to debenture account, bank account debit to debenture allotment. Similar way you have to make for the first call and final call. Okay, see all these entries I have made. These are the journal entries which you have to give. Now look at the question number 1. Hammer Limited issued 4,010% debenture of rupees 100 each payable on 20 rupees on application and balance on allotment. See children, in this question the total number of debentures are issued 4,000. 10%, the percentage which I told you, it is always given in the question, that is 10%. See, this 10% debenture is written. Before debenture the percentage is written. This is the interest. This is the rate of interest of the debenture. What interest we have to pay. Okay. So this is the rate of interest. So this interest you have to write down with the debenture. Now 4,000 debentures of 100 rupees each payable on 20 rupees on application and balance on allotment. It means you have to make only two calls, that is application and balance on allotment. Okay. So here the total one debenture of rupees 100 each and 20 on application. So what was on allotment balance? Allotment balance is 80 rupees. Okay, it means you have to make only two entries. Application were received for the issued debenture and allotment was made to all the applicants. The amount was received on due dates. Pass the necessary journal entries and prepare the balance sheet. Now children, what you have to do? Here you have to make the journal entry. So journal entry I already given in the format also. Journal entry, first journal entry you have to make for the application, then allotment. So let us start. Children, these are the journal entries for the application and allotment. Now here number of debenture issued 4,000, 10% debenture of 100 each and 20 on application. So here you have to write down 4,000 into 20. It means 80,000 on application. Now fill the amount in this way. Journal entries are same. So this 80,000, here no over subscription, under subscription. So all journal entries you have to make in similar way. Now here 4,000 debenture and balance 80 rupees. So 3,20,000 on allotment. Okay. Now after all the entries you have to make the balance sheet also. So for balance sheet you have to prepare cash book, and cash book how you have to make, it is already told in issue of share chapter. So all the bank entry you have to transfer. So first bank entry is two debenture application, 80,000, and from the next is 2 debenture allotment. This is the bank entry. So it is 3,20,000. Now total is 4 lakh. Now this is the balance CD. This is the cash balance or bank balance, 4 lakh. Now what you have to do? You have to make the notes to account. After that, notes to account, long term borrowing. Here it is not share capital, it is borrowing, because debenture is borrowing. So long term borrowing, 4,000, 10% debenture of 100 each. It means the total amount for long term borrowing is 4 lakh. Do make the total here. Now next is from cash book. The second working note is cash at bank. So the total we have already done, that is 4 lakh. Okay. Now after notes to account you have to prepare the balance sheet. So children, see the balance sheet. Balance sheet format, in this way you have to make. The first is equity and liabilities. In share chapter we have written the share capital, but in this you have to write down the heading is non-current liability, and under the heading you have to write down the subheading long-term borrowing. So long-term borrowing in notes to account you have already done with 4 lakh. Now make the total, no more liabilities, no reserve. Now asset side, current asset cash at bank already done with 4 lakh. Now see your balance sheet total is equal. In this way you have to do this question. See children. Now let us do the question number 2. The question number 2 is Citizen Watches Limited issued 7500 8% debentures of rupees 100 each at par for subscription payable along with application. Subscription was received for rupees 7000 debentures. The debentures were duly allotted, pass necessary journal entries. So children, in this question what you have to do, you have to make the journal entries only. Here number of issued debentures are given 7500, 8% debenture along with application, means you have to make only one entry, that is of application, and subscription was received for 7000 debenture. See, you have issued number of debentures 7500. This is the number of debenture you have issued or company have issued, but amount received for rupees only 7000 debenture. It means less number of debenture the company have received. Now it means this is the case of under subscription. This is the case of under subscription when number of share issued are more than the number of share received or applied. So this is the case of under subscription. In under subscription question you have to pass the journal entries all with the lesser amount, lesser debenture, 7000 debenture, because you have received only 7000 debenture. So all the entries you have to make with the 7000 debenture. But in this question you have to pass only one entry, because this is all the money received with the application only. So only one entry you have to pass. So how you have to make the entry? The first entry is bank account debit to debenture application account. Okay. Now amount is 7000 into 100. Now 7000 into 100 means 7 lakh. In this way you have to pass the journal entry. This is the first journal entry. Now second journal entry is debenture application account debit to debenture 8% debenture account, and again amount you have to write down 7 lakh. Always remember children, you have to, in under subscription you have to pass all the journal entry with the lesser amount, and in over subscription the application entry you have to make with the greater debentures and other smaller debenture. Okay. Now in this way you have to do the debentures question. It is very simple chapter, very easy chapter. It is same as issue of shares. So do same entries with the share and debentures. Only you have to write in place of share, you have to write down the debenture. Thank you children. Sai Ram.